Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you like my previous videos, like, subscribe and share my channel for upcoming videos. Today the topic of my video is change the language Office uses its minus and proofing tools. There are three areas in Microsoft Office where you may want to change the language: editing, authoring is language in which you write and edit your content. You may need to install an associated keyboard for this language via Windows setting. Second area is proofing tools. Proofing tools are spelling and grammar check. Typically you will set this language to be same as editing or authoring language. Display language is for all the buttons, menus and control in Office. You can set the display and editing or authoring languages independently from each other. For example, you may want the display language to be English, but document you are writing editing is in French. Now first we will start from the Windows. So there is a note, important note. If you want to completely change Office permanently to different language, you will get the best result if you first set that to be your default display language in Windows as well. For more information, do see this article of Windows 10 or article of Windows 7 or 8. Configuration languages for the newer version of Office. What is in that tip? Here is given the tip. What is configuration language? To prevent having the mutual configure the proofing language with each new document in Word, switch on the option to detect the language you are writing. On the Review tab, go to Languages, choose Language, set Proofing Languages and then detect language automatically. Note: if you are using Office 365 and command available are different from what's shown here, expand the configure Office language for Office 2016 or earlier section and follow the instructions here. To configure the display language within any Office application, select File, Option and Language. Under Office Display Language, make sure the display language you want Office to use is listed, like the interface here show the directions. The third point of this procedure is select the language you want and then select as a preferred if you want your Office display language to match display language you have for Windows, or select match Microsoft Windows. If the language you want is not listed, select install additional display languages for office.com and follow the instructions there. To configure authoring or proofing language within any Office application, select File, then go to Option, then Language. Under Office authoring languages and proofing, make sure the language you want to use for authoring your document is listed. If you want to change your language from French to English, so there should be English in the column section so that you can change that language. If the language you want to appear in the list, select it, then select set as a preferred. If the language you want is not listed, select add languages and then follow the instruction. In the add or authoring language dialog box, if the language accessory pack includes proofing tools for that languages, its status appears as a proofing installed. If the status is proofing available, click the link to install the proofing. This was the way to change the language in Office. Thanks for watching my video.